invests billions in OpenAI but now aims for independence by developing its own advanced AI models, known as MAI. This shift is driven by rising cost concerns. As competition heats up, Microsoft is crafting AI models that could rival OpenAI's GPT series. This development might reshape the entire AI landscape. To tackle expenses, Microsoft's strategy includes testing third-party models while streamlining AI infrastructure. This mirrors a wider industry trend towards cost-effective AI solutions. In a significant move, SoftBank commits $3 billion to acquire AI agents from OpenAI, showcasing confidence in AI's ability to handle expert tasks. This investment highlights the surging market demand for AI-driven solutions. Microsoft's evolving partnership with OpenAI reflects a broader trend in the AI sector where companies diversify their cloud offerings. This change allows OpenAI to seek new partnerships, boosting competition. A substantial amount of funding is directed toward AI infrastructure, with firms like Oracle and NVIDIA heavily investing in next-gen AI hardware. This influx of capital aims to meet the growing demands of AI technologies. Traditional left-to-right models often face challenges with tasks requiring foresight, such as achieving a goal node.
The Belief State Transformer, or BST, overcomes these limitations through bidirectional processing.
The star graph navigation problem illustrates the obstacles that conventional models encounter. BST's structure ensures that models maintain goal awareness, thus enhancing overall task performance. Experiments reveal that the Belief State Transformer significantly surpasses traditional models in complex scenarios, demonstrating its capability in capturing essential information for accurate sequence generation. Testing with a dataset Tiny Stories shows that the Belief State Transformer creates smoother transitions and better logical coherence in narratives, unlike typical story generation methods. The Belief State Transformer excels in unconditional text generation, allowing for step-by-step evaluation of its outputs for quality. This synergy promotes more fluid storytelling. Microsoft's strategy revolves around leveraging various AI models, including their own and those from OpenAI, to boost performance in AI applications. The competitive landscape is evolving as both companies strive for dominance.